All right, so anyway, this is a TLC 55-inch TV controller for it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and just turn it on. This is the power button, and it should come on. There it is. And then I'm going to navigate with this to go to whatever app I want to use. So I'm going to go over, and you can see how it lights up on the app. It kind of highlights it. If I go again, you'll see it there, there. Now, if I want to go down, I hit this one. So I'm going to go down to Prime. We'll open up Prime. So, you know, this is a home button. This is a back button. This is your OK or hit button. So like, so you see how Tom's highlighted? What I do is I hit this circle here, and that brings me into my application. And then this is a navigate: left, right, up, down, right? And then when you get something, you just click there. So let's just go down. I'm gonna go one more. So I've highlighted this, whatever, this Boys Country Hall. I'm just gonna click on that. We'll open it up, okay? All right, then I'm just gonna mute it. Oh, look, it says resume. So we were probably watching this before. All right, so there we go. Now I'm gonna mute it here on the side so you guys can't hear it because copyright. All right, so now you can just see it, right?